Welcome to Follow Heochuan HC Machinery. Next, I will take you to know about HC 1200 Micro-Automatic Edge Banding Machine. The machine is light, flexible, stable, and can adapt to any working environment. Edge banding system, sheet conveying system, trimming head and tail system, polishing system. After all the functions are turned on, the board can be processed, and the board can be fed continuously. The stability is perfect. The machine can process composite boards, particle boards, density boards, and so on. It is fully capable of processing standard slabs.